Operation Restoration of Hope to Kayama, Tokolo, and Pananuki. Acts of love and kindness are high expressions of the human nature, and for this purpose, Mustard Seed Organization embarked on a free medical mission to the remote villages of Kayama, Tokolo, and Pananuki, all in Bware Area Council of Abuja, Nigeria. These areas are plagued with chronic health conditions ranging from ophthalmic diseases, malaria, especially among children and elderly, as well as other waterborne illnesses. To attend these needs, Mustard Seed volunteers from various medical backgrounds were available to meet with the people. Pharmacists were on the ground to dispense prescription drugs and other dosage advice, along with drug dispensing. Lab scientists, nurses, and optometrists were also there to attend to the people that needed their services. Upon arrival at location, large crowds of community members were already gathered and waiting to be seen. The crowd obviously was surprised at the idea of free medical services because such an experience had never been witnessed in any of the communities prior to this event. The people that were too sick to stand by themselves were assisted by family and friends through every stage of the process, from the registration to dispensing of drugs, and as many community members as possible were given one form of medical care or another. By the end of the day, it was obvious that the needs are vast and could not be addressed in their entirety. However, the dedication and loving teams of Mustard Seed staff and volunteers were able to reach as many persons in need as available resources could be met.